Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about electrolyte solution and how we can test the conductivity based on an electric circuit. We can put a circuit into the distilled water, and most of the time we cannot turn on the lamp since the water is not so good conductive material. If we add some salt on the water, sodium chloride will take part and make the solution as an ionic solution. In this way, the conductivity of water goes far beyond the distilled water, and we can see the lamp is turned on. Substituting salt with sugar, we will not get the same results since the sugar, due to the chemical bonding, has a different property. Looking to detail of this experiment, we can see how sodium chloride dissolves into the water. Water molecules have a partial positive and negative charge, which works with the sodium and chloride. Chloride negative charges will work with the hydrogen positive charge, and the vice versa for the sodium and oxygen. In scientific term, we call this phenomenon a dissociation, when Na and Cl atoms will dissolve into the water and dissociate the ionic bonds. This phenomenon happens when an ionic compound dissolves into the water or any other solutions fully. The higher the concentration of ionic salt into the water, the better the conductivity of the water. This phenomenon is also happen into the acid and basic solutions when they dissolve into the water, and the ionic solution will cause a higher conductivity. On the other hand, when we are talking about sugars, in our case sucrose, the sucrose can dissolve into the water, but the phenomenon of dissociation will not happen. It's by the cause of the molecular dissolve of sugar into the water. However, the sugar molecules are dissolved into the water, but due to non-ionic bonds between sugar atom, this would not be dissociation. In this case, we see a solution of sucrose in distilled water, but no conductivity. As a conclusion for this experiment, we can notice that whenever ionic bonds will break and dissolve into the water, they can form a new phenomena. They call it dissociation. Dissociation phenomena helps conductivity since the negative and positive charges are floating into the aqueous solution. This will happen to the acidic and basic. On the other hand, when molecular solutions happen and a non-ionic bond will break, we cannot form an electrolyte solution, thus there is no conductivity in them.